it's Angel. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am super excited because we're going to be making a soy and garlic steamed mussels dish. This is one of my favorite Thanksgiving appetizers or entree alternative to your normal holiday meal. And if you've never cooked mussels before, they're super quick and easy to make. Most of the work is done up front in preparation and cleaning, which I'll show you later in this video. Now, before we start, I just want to say a big thank you to Suntory All-Free for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to be pairing All-Free non-alcoholic beer-like beverage with this dish. And since it's 0% alcohol and 0 calories, this is the perfect Thanksgiving beverage alternative for those of you who may be on diet restrictions or want to enjoy a beer or two and celebrate the holiday festivities. Anyways, this is one of my favorite seafood dishes to make, so let's jump right in and get started, shall we? Now for the ingredients. For this recipe, we'll need 2 pounds of black mussels. Try and buy them the day of so they're fresh. Rinse them under cool water a few times until the water runs clean, which helps to remove any loose sand and dirt. Next, prepare a sponge or brush. And I'm just using a gentle scrub brush to clean the outside of the mussel shells. One by one, give the shells a gentle scrub, rinse, and set aside in a bowl. Sometimes you'll come across a mussel with a fuzzy looking piece sticking out of the shell, and that's called the beard. Not all mussels have them, but if they do, just use your thumb and forefinger to pull the beard down towards the hinge of the mussel shell. Once it's removed, it's clean. In addition to the mussels, we'll also need half a stick of grass-fed butter, 6 cloves of minced garlic. I know it's a lot of garlic, but I love garlic. 2 teaspoons of low-sodium soy sauce, half a cup of Japanese sake, or you can use a dry white wine, and finally, green onions for garnish. Now it's time to cook. Preheat a large pan over medium-high heat and add the butter. Let that melt a bit, then add the minced garlic. Gently saute until the garlic has just started to brown. Then go ahead to add the mussels, the soy sauce, and finally the sake. We're just gonna give that a quick stir to evenly coat the mussels. Then we'll want to salt and pepper the mussels to taste. And for me, I like using 10 turns of my salt and pepper mill each. As a last step, cover the pan with a lid, lower the heat to medium, and steam the mussels for 5 minutes. They do cook quickly, so make sure it's only for 5 minutes. And when they're done, the mussels should look like this. Finally, top things off with some green onions for garnish and some slices of toasted baguette. So that's how you make these soy and garlic steamed mussels. As you can see, they were super quick and easy to make, only 5 minutes cook time, which means you have more time to spend with family instead. Now to finish this dish off, I've gone ahead to toast some slices of French baguette. That's gonna make it super delicious to soak up that sauce. And I'm pairing it with Suntory's all-free beer-like beverage. Now for the taste test, which is my favorite part of the video. I've got my fork ready here. So let's grab a mussel. Make sure to get some sauce on there. Gonna get a little bit of the baguette and soak up that sauce there. I wish you guys could try this dish with me. So there's the flavors of the soy and garlic, and of course the butter. So delicious, contrasted with almost a briny sweet taste of the mussels. They're super delicious, very, very flavorful. Now let's try the beer-like beverage. Cheers. That's crisp, light, and refreshing. So All-Free is not only 100% alcohol-free, it's 0 calories and no sugar or artificial sweeteners. And if you're wondering how does this taste like beer, Suntory All-Free uses the most common type of barley used in beer making, 100% 2-row barley malt. And if you guys are interested in Suntory All-Free, I'll leave a link in the video description. They're currently running a promotion on Amazon. I'm Angel, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's quick and easy Thanksgiving dish. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Until then, take care guys. I love you, stay safe, happy holidays, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.